Welcome to Polymer Update TV, the world's first and only TV network with a free petrochemicals news show. It is Wednesday, June 10th. I am Shriyal Dhume. Our special newsreel today is sponsored by Ahmedabad-based Sweet Industries. Let's start with energy news. Crude oil prices rose on Tuesday on indications of improving demand and consumption of fuel as various countries across the globe have begun easing their lockdown in a phased manner. Also, the Baker Hughes report of a fall in the number of oil and gas rigs further supported the price rise. Brent futures gained by 38 cents, settling at $41.18 per barrel, while WTI futures climbed higher by 75 cents, settling at $38.94 per barrel. According to Vandana Harvey of Vanda Insights, crude futures had surrendered nearly all of Tuesday's modest gains in the early hours of Wednesday, after data from the American Petroleum Institute showed an 8.4 million barrel surge in U.S. commercial crude inventories for the week ended June 5. OpenSpec naphtha prices slipped sharply by $26 per metric ton to the $351 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels. Moving on to the Asian market updates for polypropylene, polyethylene, and polyvinyl chloride. In polypropylene, this week, PP prices witnessed a sharp rise in Asia. Prices firmed on the back of bullish upstream crude, naphtha and propylene values, coupled with higher import offers from the overseas producers. Reports of improved regional demand trends further supported the price gain. In HDP, this week, HDP prices bolstered higher in Asia. The sharp price rise was attributed to firmer import offers from the overseas suppliers, coupled with bullish upstream energy and ethylene rates. The price gain was supported by improved buying sentiments in the region. In PVC prices galloped sharply higher in Asia this week. The steep price rise was a result of a sharp rise in import offers from the overseas producers and improved regional buying trends, coupled with stronger upstream EDC, VCM and ethylene values. For detailed price assessments of PP, PE and PVC, we invite you to subscribe to Polymer Update. Our weekly benchmark price assessments and analysis are available on our website for all our subscribers to benefit from. Our special newsreel today is sponsored by Ahmedabad-based Sweet Industries. Established in the year 2005, a reputed manufacturer and supplier of thermoplastic injection molding machines. That's all for today's Polymer News. Watch our daily news video tomorrow to know more. It is Wednesday, June 10th. I am Shriyal Dhume. Thank you.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/polymerupdate and be sure to click the like button. You can also find us on Twitter at Polymer Update. For the latest news from the plastics and petrochemicals industry, subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.